In this video, I will take an in-depth look at the Samsung QN70H Neo QLED to see if it truly lives up to the massive hype surrounding its performance. When you first unearth this beast from the box, the first thing you notice is the incredibly slim profile and the premium build quality that Samsung is known for. This television utilizes advanced mini-LED technology which provides much better lighting control than traditional screens. This translates to incredibly bright highlights and deep blacks that almost rival what you see on expensive OLED panels. One of the standout features is the Neo Quantum processor. It upscales lower-resolution content with remarkable precision, making old shows look brand new. For the gamers out there, this set is a masterpiece because it offers a high refresh rate and extremely low input lag. Motion stays fluid during intense action scenes without any noticeable blurring or screen tearing. The sound quality is surprisingly robust for such a thin frame, though many will still prefer a dedicated soundbar. Overall, the colors are vivid and the interface is snappy, making it one of the most versatile displays on the market today. Thank you so much for watching my review.